Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a horizontal slider in Figma Easy Method. Start by creating a frame and set it to the width you want, then draw a track rectangle and apply a mask for overflow. Convert one slide into a component, duplicate it with consistent spacing using auto layout, and use horizontal scrolling on the frame. Finally, test interactions and tweak easing for smooth. Begin by drawing a track rectangle that matches the visible slider width and place it inside a frame. Use that frame as a mask to hide any content that should overflow beyond the visible area. Add padding and set the frame to clip content, then style the track with rounded corners and a faint shadow for depth. This makes the slider look professional while the mask keeps transitions clean. Design a single master slide as a component containing image, title, and a CTA, then use instances for each slide to keep consistency. Apply auto layout inside the component to ensure content resizes correctly and maintains spacing between elements. When you need to change a color or type, edit the master component and watch all instances update instantly. This saves time and ensures a consistent, responsive slider across different screen sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.